Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you how to turn your Stanley 2-cup cook set into a toaster. Stay tuned. So to turn your Stanley 2-cup cook set into a toaster, first of all, you're going to have to take your bail handle and remove it. Of course, this is very easy to do. You've seen the hack. And put it on the back side, just like this, so that it looks like that. Then, you want to open this up, take your piece of bread, and place it right here, just like this, and then close this very gently against it, like that. So this is what it looks like. Then taking the Stanley Cook Set, rotate this forward. This is the bail handle, and you want to set it on the ground like this, facing the fire. Fire needs to be built up fairly high, just like this, and you want to rest the back of the Stanley cup on a rock, a stick, or something elevated so that you can keep it fairly flat and facing the fire. After just a few minutes, go ahead and take this off. Be careful, this is going to be really hot. Open this up, making sure the lid doesn't fall off. Turn the bread around, lay this back down, just like that, and then face it back toward the fire. And here's a close-up of what it looks like sitting in front of the fire. And here's the finished product. And again, just easily take this down. Remember, it is hot, so you want to be very careful with this. But there's the other side. You can see, nicely toasted and ready to eat. Alright, let's see how it tastes. I'm going to put a little of this Concord grape jelly on it here. These are great little packages for camping and backpacking, as I'm sure many of you know. I got this from Cracker Barrel. Go ahead and open it up. Put this on here. Now that looks great. That would be an awesome breakfast when you're out bushcrafting and practicing your survival skills. Now we're going to eat it. Absolutely perfect. It's really good toast. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And while you're checking that out, make sure and click on the Teespring link, which is also down there on our merchandise shelf. And check out all the great merchandise that we have for sale with the Waypoint Survival logo on it. All of those sales go to help us continue with our research and to bring you great content on this channel. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos. And we'll talk to you next time.